So now we'll move to the design phase. And then finally we have to confront the data model with the processes to make sure that every entity is used at least in one process, and every process is used in at least one entity.
As my teammates said, we have been through the process of getting the requirements. So we've done the elicitation, we've done the analysis of our client needs, we've collected the data, analyzed it, defined our main entities, and done the ERD. But all of this is just a paper-based solution. This is not what we want. What we want after this course is to be able to produce the final product, the software. So in order to do that, to move from a paper-based solution to an implementable solution, we will go through the design phase. So these are the points that we'll be tackling through this phase. First, we'll start with technology enablers. That include the programming language, which is Java, we'll be using as an IDE NetBeans, and as DBMS, MySQL. Another activity that we do during the design phase is what we call the inter-component interactions. That means the interactions between the components for our system. So among these are the functional architecture that shows us all the processes that we have in the system and the sub-processes. This is the managed appointment part. Actually, it's a step forward towards implementation because the names of the functions of the ready for automation actions here should be the same as the names that we give them in the book. Function interfaces, too. So here we show the input and output that each function takes and their types. Here's an example. This is set appointments. So as you can see, it takes as input a patient and of course the date and time, and it will output either success or failure of the operation of setting an appointment. Now the design, another activity that we do during the design phase, if you look to your handout, you will find out, is finding out if there are any errors. Sometimes we detect errors and mistakes that we have done in previous steps. During our last meeting with our supervisor, Dr. Kettani, he pointed out that maybe we should have a web-based application. So at the beginning it seemed very difficult for us. We were thinking about, it seemed like we had to code everything from the beginning again, and it seemed very difficult. But actually it turned out to be very easy, simply because we're using the